Spock? Do something!
On the Enterprise, Mr. Crusher, nothing just happens. What does that smell?
Yes. Quite stimulating, wouldn't you say?
No.
Take us in at 1/2 impulse.
Yes, ma'am. I'm detecting a slight radioactive field. It's...
We should go this way. I smell gas.
If the mines are going to be small, we'll need a lot of them. And we'll need a way to replace them quickly if the Jem'Hadar try to blast their way through. Uh-oh.
I better go talk to Cisco.
I'll go draw up some specs.
I've got to go to waste extraction.
Security team.
Captain.
The gas is building up.
Gas.
Gas, Captain.
Ah!